Here's the app LenMe Investing and Borrowing, and after you created your account, you enter your phone number. You can just select what are you interested in. If you want to invest, that's basically how it works. You just select, you see your balance. You can see some investments available. You can see some feed. And some ideas. So it's quite interesting what you have here. There's also like a borrower account where you can just go. You won't be able to borrow money if you have any outstanding investment. And then you can just try to borrow how much you would like to borrow. And then, for example, you want to borrow $100 with applicable fees. You will see that $3.11 is like applicable fee, maximum $5,000. And then you need to complete some steps before you can borrow this kind of amount. And probably you'll need to enter your SSN or your address and all of that. Then there is some like partner offerings which you can try it out here. So that's some of the deals they have.